Hi parents, how's your day going? Good, right? I think let's start off this session by welcoming our founder, Mr. Pratham Mittal.
Thank you. All right. Welcome, everybody. How was the day so far? Good? Very good? Very good. Very, very good. Okay, awesome. Where are you all coming from? Who's come here from the farthest? Mumbai? Someone, you said Delhi. Delhi actually can be farther than Mumbai also. I'll tell you why. Because if they're coming from North Delhi, the distance is like 3 hours. where in Delhi? रोहिणी सेक्टर में तो 2 घंटे 1.5 घंटे हाँ संडे को तो ठीक है संडे को तो ठीक है एंड बॉम्बे एनीवन वेयर इन तमिलनाडु Erode oh wow, awesome okay I doubt anyone is farther from there Chandigarh is close by anybody else Vadodara okay awesome Bihar I don't know what is farther Bihar ki flight is what 3 hours
No,
2 hours
No, 3 hours.
Acha oh so they traveled for the longest for sure no awesome but thank you so much for coming I want to start with a few questions I want to understand you first and उसके बाद फिर थोड़ी सी हम मास्टर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे but how did you first hear about masters uni yeah
The CEO challenge back when I was in my grade 11.
CEO challenge
Right.
nice so did they come to your school
Actually, I found it on Unstock and I participated.
okay
in that.
does everybody know what CEO challenge is no okay we'll talk about it but CEO challenge anybody else I want to hear from the parents also
student from
podcasts okay
हमारे मित्र
think school that was last week
हमारे
oh he made that video yes of course okay nice he was just here Abhi in the morning did you see him the students saw okay did you guys enjoy his session was good he's awesome no? yeah he's now going to be teaching the creator challenge in year 2
Bob Jain is learning from here from years from Gaya.
Vaibhav Jain
वैभव जान यहाँ पढ़ रहा है
okay acha so from him you heard okay
बताया था हम लोग को फिर इसने बोला कि ये अच्छा मतलब मास्टर्स यूनियन हमको लग रहा है जो हम चाहते हैं उस तरीके का यहाँ सारा चीज है
very interesting
तो इसके कहने पे फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़े
समझ गया anybody else
My daughter Siddhi is there.
where that's you okay
About
how did you hear
CEO challenge.
CEO challenge 8 okay
With my friends, I got the notification for UG and I got excited.
Acha, nice very interesting okay great where are you from
Bye.
Mumbai okay how many people from Mumbai here 1 2 3 all right nice okay so my second question is why do you want to study AI and now I want to hear from the kids
It started from the Jarvis thing, which is funny. And later on, when the ChatGPT came in 2020 and we used to like.
you're like this is Jarvis
That's how. And when we got to know that we can start building them, especially when the AI agent technology came out and it made them so easy for us to access it, I thought that we should go in this.
okay
It makes it more accessible. Like now, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you don't need it from 5 people. You just automate tasks. Like
which is why you want to study fair anybody else
Actually, the same reason, somewhat same reason as
Uh-huh.
him. I used to watch MCU and Jarvis is my favorite.
uh-huh.
So the idea to build that Jarvis in real life and uh, be an entrepreneur with it.
Hmm.
This idea was made very easy for me and feasible for me with AI. It has become very feasible for every person,
Everyone.
every student in this world right now. So that's why I want to pursue.
Awesome. I want to hear from everybody.
Just vast upcoming opportunities.
Upcoming opportunities. Okay. Any specific industry that you're excited about?
Cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity. Okay.
I just came, I don't know what's up.
Sorry.
I just came, I don't know what's happening.
The question is, why do you want to study AI?
Coming 8 years,
It's a good opportunity. Okay, same answer.
Has more upcoming opportunities in the next year.
Okay.
It's very accessible. The person who doesn't know even to code, he can build websites and apps using AI, which we did in AI Buildathon.
Yeah.
That was.
What did you build?
We have a brand called Index.
Mhm.
So like we remove the brokers from manufacturers, which would provide direct connection to CHAs.
All right. Interesting.
I'm
You answered. Who's left?
Like I took the branch list and I saw that AI ML and after that data scientists, they were the most growing branches. So
Okay.
The different horizons that not only offers finance and stuff.
We'll ask the professor also. Why did you study AI?
They sound very made up right now, but when I was in college, I actually wrote in a notebook, and I still have that notebook that I was asked in one of the exercises, what is my wildest dream? And I had written, I want to build my own Jarvis.
Jarvis.
And it's actually, which is why I had chosen my PhD topic to be AI. And yeah, so I've been doing AI for a little over a decade now. So yeah.
Awesome. Okay, my third question. Why do you want to study AI at Masters Union? He's the first answer for every. Good. I'm liking it.
So one thing that VCs love AI, and I want to do something like business plus AI. So like place where I can learn both of them, like the business school, the tech schools. That's the reason I'm here.
Awesome. Same. Yeah.
Like choosing Masters Union is not specifically for AI, but for the networking opportunities that it provides and the business opportunities. I want to take part in best of the both worlds, entrepreneurship and AI, and that is what Masters Union provides.
All right. I missed you last time. Huh? You were hiding.
faculty.
The faculty? Which faculty are you most excited about? Ma'am? Easy, okay. This is. Anybody else? Yeah.
Curriculum.
Okay, which part of the curriculum?
I actually want to start my own startup someday.
Okay.
So the idea of the visiting faculties is very inspiring. And I love
Okay.
it.
Is there one visiting faculty that excites you specifically? Okay. He can teach both marketing and AI. Actually, that's true.
In every semester. One is just the core curriculum which you're offering, like different courses. And for each, like 3 months, I think you've broken down it into different projects. So I saw for the first semester class was year and
Yeah. All right. Anybody else? This side?
I believe like I have keen interest in practical learning,
Mhm.
and I don't have a keen like I don't have interest in theoretical learning, so that's why Masters Union.
Okay.
Master Union was not a traditional college, it was offering me only BTech in AI.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. And now I want to hear from the parents. A different question. What is your biggest fear of your kids studying at Masters Union? Fair question, right? Fair question. I can read the room, right? हाँ बताइए सर.
यही कि बिना डिग्री के हम कैसे कोई सिक्योरिटी क्या है कि 4 साल सर्वाइव करेंगे नहीं करेंगे.
बिल्कुल ठीक क्वेश्चन है. Any other questions?
तो गवर्नमेंट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड होता है तो यूनिवर्सिटी के पास उसका कुछ ना कुछ फंड होता है. रिजर्व रखते हैं. अभी अगर कॉलेज फेल हो गया तो बच्चों को कहीं और स्टडी पूरी करा देते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
उसके बारे में थोड़ा जान.
बिल्कुल. और
PC and
same question, sir.
My question is, what exactly you are promising for 4 years with my child will be system product of what you're promising to do. That's
Okay.
only year 1.
Okay, done. Anybody
I
else?
have one thing to add here.
Yeah.
So my chachu is in UGC, so every night from past 1 month on the dining table, this is the hot topic. That
Okay, good. What is he in UGC?
He's in the tech part. He's the manager there.
Okay. From parents, any questions?
Still like almost already.
So UGC degree. Anything else? No other questions. हाँ जी, please.
जैसे हम जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम
जी.
और कॉलेज है,
हम्म.
मतलब पास्ट में देखा है कि कहीं आती है तो फिर फाइंड आउट करके चले जाते हैं।
बिल्कुल
उसके बच्चों का ज्यादा भविष्य खराब।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो हम आपसे क्या गारंटी चाहेंगे कि हम अपने बच्चों को यहाँ लाएं और उनका भविष्य सिक्योर हो।
बिल्कुल ग्रेट क्वेश्चन एनीथिंग एल्स और कोई क्वेश्चन किसी के माइंड में
That Master Union have that new way of teaching.
जी
I've seen the infrastructure and everything.
हाँ.
It's very different from the old school, like the all other colleges. So, like, what is different from the old colleges and Master Union?
got it. Anything specific with engineering? Any questions that parents have engineering को लेके? BSc versus BTech. Any other questions?
Regarding degree, IIT Guwahati, you tell.
जी.
That degree you mentioned, or there is the online or offline?
Okay. Anything else? I want to understand क्या है फिर मैं उस हिसाब से अपना presentation change करूँगा. Sir? Ma'am?
No.
Okay, great.
Sir,
Yes, please.
तो जैसे आप लोगों ने बताया कि डिग्री के लिए IIT गुवाहाटी या IIT मद्रास, यदि बच्चा मान लीजिए कि मास्टर्स में तो पढ़ रहा है लेकिन वहां का वो पास नहीं कर पाता है एडमिशन एलिजिबिलिटी,
तो क्या
फिर
होगा?
उसके साथ क्या होगा?
Done. That's it? Almost done. All questions covered. Okay. So I think मैं 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करता हूँ presentation, and then of course we have some things to show you. That's Swati. I will leave it to you, but I will maybe answer 3 questions. The first question is कि ये Masters Union है क्या? Right? जो सर का question था कि the teaching is different. What is actually different? हम यहाँ कर क्या रहे? Second question I will answer, which is around कि ये university है, कि degree है, कि क्या नहीं है? What is IIT Guwahati? What is IIT Madras? All of that. And third, आपने मुझसे पूछा नहीं है, पर मेरे को पता है आपके mind में है. And sir ने थोड़ा सा बोला उसके बारे में, which is कि after 4 years, what is the promise? Placements हैं या some of you want to build startups. These are the 3 questions.
Placements, but the skill set.
The skill set. What is the outcome?
The next 3 years because
Done. Sounds good. So the 3 questions, everyone's clear? All right. So we'll dive into this. We'll spend 3-4 minutes on each question, and then I'll leave it to Swati, and then we'll meet again at 6 p.m. where we have a much larger presentation. Done? Okay. So Masters Union was started because when I was in college, and I was very lucky to go to a very top-ranked university. Swati and I went to the same university. I, to be honest, slept through many of my classes. मैं काफी सोया हूँ क्लास में. बट मैं एग्जाम देने में अच्छा था, तो एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले मैं पढ़ लेता था. एग्जाम में जाके सब वॉमिट कर देता था और एग्जाम के एक दिन बाद सब भूल जाता था. राइट? एंड आई एम श्योर काफियों का आपका एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा रहा होगा कभी तो. राइट? आई कैन सी द नॉडिंग हेड्स अ लिटिल बिट. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार आप 4 साल एक कॉलेज में बिता रहे हो, 4 years आप कॉलेज में बिता रहे हो, तो जो क्लास के अंदर हो रहा है ना, उसमें 2-3 प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. एक तो जो आपको सिखाया जा रहा है, that is not necessarily relevant in the real world. Everybody agrees with me on this? अच्छा, जो real world में relevant है भी, उसकी जो टेस्टिंग हो रही है, जो रटना पड़ रहा है उसके लिए, वो आपका जो सब्जेक्ट का लव है वो किल ही कर देता है. राइट? मान लो आपका मैथ में एक बार F आ गया, तो आप हमेशा के लिए मैथ में अपने आप को फेलियर ही समझ लेते हो, अपने आप को इंप्रूव ही नहीं करते. Everyone agrees with me? Once a failure in math, always a failure in math. It's very hard to leave that tag and come back. Right? And the other thing is कि जिस तरीके से पढ़ाई होती है, exams, lecture, slides, grades, attendance, books, यही सब था. उससे मुझे लगता है कि जो बच्चे की creativity है, जो बच्चे की एक energy है, enthusiasm है, जिससे वो आता है कॉलेज में, वो हम kill कर देते हैं. Right? So these were essentially the 3 things that I had a problem with in my college life. And I know it is true for all of us. Right? So that is why we decided to build Masters Union, where we thought we'll do 2-3 things differently. Ek to we will teach not through books, exams, lectures, slides, grades, attendance, not that. But we'll teach students technology or business by making them build technology and build businesses. Right? Now, when you're going to swim, you can't learn swimming by reading a book. You can only learn swimming by jumping into the water, drowning once maybe, नाक में पानी चढ़ जाता है, and then learning from it. How many of the parents here belong to business families? half and half, right? More than. Now all of you will agree with me, I think, that BCom करके तो business नहीं बन पाएगा. ये तो करके सीख के ठोकर खा के जीएसटी का नोटिस आएगा, 2-3 बार म्युनिसिपैलिटी से लड़ाई होगी, तो ही जाके बिजनेस बनता है, तो ही जाके बिजनेस सीखा जाता है. Those are the realities of the business. That's also the reality of technology. Just because मैंने एक प्रोग्राम पढ़ लिया, एल्गोरिथम पढ़ लिया, doesn't mean कि मैं जेफ बेजोस और मार्क जकरबर्ग बन जाऊंगा. राइट? उसके लिए तो मेरे को बनाना पड़ेगा, टूल निकालना पड़ेगा मार्केट में, उस टूल को यूज करना पड़ेगा. ChatGPT 1 निकला, फिर 2 निकला, फिर 3 निकला, फिर 4 निकला. राइट? पता नहीं कितने और निकलने हैं. राइट? ऐसे ही बनता है. राइट? So we wanted to create this ecosystem जहां पे पढ़ाई कर सीखी जाती है, मतलब सिर्फ बुक्स पढ़कर नहीं. That is the core मास्टर्स यूनियन एक्सपीरियंस. राइट? तो हर टर्म में कुछ क्रेडिट्स आपके इन क्लास से आते हैं, क्लास में बैठ के वर्कशॉप्स होती हैं, टीचर्स आते हैं. हमारे 50% टीचर्स आर टीचर्स जो इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं. इस बिल्डिंग में हेडक्वार्टर्स हैं काफी कंपनीज के, आपने देखा होगा जब आप आ रहे थे. राइट? किस-किसके यहाँ? Can anybody name?
You know,
Samsung.
how do क्या lagi you?
Samsung, EY, Gartner, BCG. अच्छा, across the wall किसका है? Aviva. And across the corridor किसका है? Samsung, right? Now we actually have faculty from these all colleges, sorry, these all companies come in and teach. And what they are able to teach is what is the latest happening in the industry, right? And of course, we have faculty full time. You met Nandini, who actually work with the students on the fundamentals, right? So this is the ecosystem that we're building at Masters Union. That's the answer to your first question. So हर term में बच्चे को business बनाना है, हर term में बच्चे को technology का एक product create करना है, उसको market में लेके जाना है, customer से feedback collect करनी है, ठोकर खानी है, फिर उसको improve करना है, बनाना है, फिर उसको improve करना है, बनाना है. जो भी आप क्लास में सीख रहे हो, उसको शाम को एक्चुअली रियल लाइफ में इंप्लीमेंट करना है. दैट इज द एंटायर मास्टर्स यूनियन एक्सपीरियंस. नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी हैड, कि ये डिग्री, यूनिवर्सिटी, यूजीसी ये क्या है? व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड मास्टर्स यूनियन, वी डिसाइडेड कि यार यदि हम लोग ये यूजीसी, डिग्री, अक्रेडिटेशन के रास्ते में पड़ गए, तो जो हमारा ये हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंशियल वाला सारा मॉडल है, वो हम यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. UGC के तहत, right? You need a campus of 100 acres, right? You need to be in existence for 15-20 years. बहुत सारी चीजें, कारपेट नहीं हो सकता. Do you know this? कॉलेजेस में कारपेट नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इट्स अ फायर हैजर्ड, राइट? या बिकॉज उसमें वो साफ होता नहीं है, तो वहां पे धूल जम जाती है, तो बच्चों की तबीयत खराब हो जाती है. दैट्स देयर लॉजिक. बट उसकी वजह से जो एको हो रही है, जब कारपेट नहीं होता तो एको बहुत होती है क्लासरूम में. दैट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. बच्चे को सुनाई नहीं देता कुछ. So you have to put carpets. There's some very old laws like this that exist in the UGC system. पर मुझे ये था कि मुझे तो बिजनेस स्कूल जो बनाना है, मुझे जो इंजीनियरिंग स्कूल बनाना है, वो मेरे को इंडस्ट्री के बीचों बीच रह के बनाना है. एक मेडिकल कॉलेज हमेशा एक मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल के अंदर होता है, साइड में नहीं होता, अंदर होता है. पर फिर हम क्यों ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है या जो बिजनेस स्कूल है, वो सिटी से, इंडस्ट्री से 300 किलोमीटर दूर होना चाहिए? गलत बात है ना ये. तो मुझे था कि जो हमारा इंजीनियरिंग स्कूल होगा, वो तो इंडस्ट्री के बीचों बीच होगा, उद्योग विहार के अंदर होगा, मारुति की फैक्ट्री के सामने होगा, तो वो इंजीनियरिंग स्कूल बन पाएगा. तो जब हमने शुरू किया मास्टर्स यूनियन, उस टाइम पे यूजीसी हमें ये अलाउ नहीं करती थी कि हम ये सब चीजें करें. बट मेरे को तो ऐसे ही बनाना था. मेरे को एक और डिग्री कॉलेज नहीं बनाना था. डिग्री कॉलेज इंडिया में बहुत है. कैन एनीबॉडी गेस कितने? थाउजेंड्स. हाउ मेनी थाउजेंड्स? 55,000. 55,000 कॉलेज हैं, 1600 यूनिवर्सिटियां हैं. ये सब डिग्री देती हैं. ये सब यूजीसी, एआईसीटी, नाबार्ड, नैक, एनआईआरएफ, स्टेट मिनिस्ट्री, सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्री से अक्रेडिटेड हैं. 18 बॉडीज हैं ऐसी, राइट? इंटरेस्टिंगली एक मैं आपको कहानी बताता हूं कि मेरे जो पिताजी हैं, उन्होंने इंडिया की सबसे पहली यूनिवर्सिटी बनाई थी, प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी, सॉरी. उसका नाम शायद आपने सुना होगा, LPU है, लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी. इट्स बेस्ड इन जलंधर. माय मॉम एंड माय डैड उन्होंने बनाई थी. और जो इंडिया में प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी का एक्ट है, जिसके तहत ये 1600 यूनिवर्सिटियां बनी हैं सारी. It is called the LPU Act of 2005, right? जो LPU के वाइस चांसलर है वो यूजीसी के सेक्रेटरी हैं, राइट? तो मेरे लिए यूनिवर्सिटी बनाना मुश्किल नहीं था, बट जो यूजीसी के रूल्स हैं उनके तहत हम ये सब नहीं कर पा रहे थे अंटिल दिस ईयर. जो हमारा ये मॉडल है जिसमें हम प्रैक्टिशनर्स को लेकर आते हैं, जो हमारा मॉडल ऑफ लर्निंग बाय डूइंग है, जो हमारा ये कैंपस है यहाँ पे, ये सारा यूजीसी हमें अलाउ नहीं करती थी इस साल तक. पर हम पिछले 4 साल से लगे हुए थे फाइट करने के लिए कि नहीं यार, ये लॉज तो आपको अपडेट करने चाहिए बिकॉज दुनिया आगे बढ़ चुकी है, राइट? तो 3 साल, ऑलमोस्ट 4 साल की फुल जद्दोजहद के बाद जनवरी में हमारी एप्लीकेशन एक्सेप्ट हुई टू बिकम मास्टर्स यूनियन यूनिवर्सिटी, और मई में हमारी एप्लीकेशन पास हुई, राइट? सो लेटर दिस ईयर, क्योंकि हमें वेट करनी पड़ती है नोटिफिकेशन की, और नोटिफिकेशन तब निकलती है जब असेंबली बैठती है, we will be officially announced as a university. So we essentially will be able to grant our own degrees, right? And our model of education can continue to be the same. We don't have to change ourselves. देखिए, आप यहाँ पे डिग्री के लिए नहीं आए, आप यहाँ पे मास्टर्स यूनियन के मॉडल के लिए आए. वेरी ऑनेस्टली, डिग्री के लिए आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. आप बिहार, बॉम्बे, तमिलनाडु से आए हैं तो आप डिग्री के लिए तो नहीं आए. तमिलनाडु में सबसे ज्यादा डिग्री कॉलेजेस हैं. आपके घर के पास एटलीस्ट 100 तो होंगे मेरे हिसाब से आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, राइट? उसके लिए तो आप नहीं आए, राइट? आप मास्टर्स यूनियन के मॉडल के लिए आए हैं. दिस ईयर वी विल बिकम अ यूनिवर्सिटी एंड देन वी कैन ग्रांट आवर ओन डिग्रीज. बट फॉर द फर्स्ट 2-3 years we decided to partner with IIT Guwahati, with IIT Madras, with another IIT but based in Chicago, Illinois Institute of Technology in Chicago, ताकि हम उनके साथ भी सीख के अपना प्रोग्राम को और इम्प्रूव कर सकें, क्योंकि ये भी टॉप कॉलेजेस तो है, देखिए, राइट? सो अभी जिस तरीके से रहेगा कि बिफोर द अनाउंसमेंट इज मेड ऑफिशियली, मेरे लिए गलत होगा आपसे कुछ भी प्रॉमिस करना. While the university is passed and you can put in an RTI and find out, but जब तक ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन नहीं निकलती, I cannot admit students into the university. But I think वो सितंबर अक्टूबर तक हो जाएगा and then I'll be able to. That's number 1. But number 2, जो हमारी पार्टनरशिप्स हैं, ये कभी काफी अच्छी पार्टनरशिप्स हैं. दोनों, ये तीनों यूनिवर्सिटीज काफी अच्छी हैं, एंड वी आर गिविंग द ऑप्शन टू द स्टूडेंट्स कि आप मास्टर के मॉडल के तहत भी पढ़िए और उनके मॉडल के तहत भी साथ साथ पढ़ लीजिए. कंप्यूटर साइंस तो सेम ही है, डेटा साइंस तो सेम ही है, एआई का फंडामेंटल्स तो सेम ही है, और दोनों को आपस में मिला के वी थिंक हम एक अच्छा करिकुलम बना सकते हैं, राइट? सो द डिग्री योर किड्स विल गेट, अगेन ऑफिशियली आई कैनॉट से इट, आई कैनॉट पुट ऑन द वेबसाइट, बट बिकॉज हम एक क्लोज रूम में है तो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ कि वो तो हो जाएगा. दैट इज नॉट अ बिग कंसर्न. बट द IIT Guwahati and the IIT Madras program, whether they are BTech or BSc, I think they are also good programs. We have studied them quite deeply. Now एक बार दिल की बात करूंगा मैं आपसे कि 4 साल बाद जब बच्चे ग्रेजुएट होंगे तो मुझे नहीं पता दुनिया कहाँ की कहाँ पहुंच चुकी होगी. ऑलरेडी मैं आज के दिन ये बिलीव करता हूं, आई थिंक मेनी ऑफ यू विल एग्री विद मी, कि जस्ट बिकॉज किसी के पास डिग्री है उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. डिग्री तो बनती नहीं है आजकल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ए और बी. आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, राइट? सो 4 साल के बाद कंप्यूटर साइंस क्या रहेगी, एआई क्या रहेगी, रोबोटिक्स क्या रहेंगे, मेरा भी गैस उतना ही है जितना आपका है, राइट? दुनिया काफी चेंज होने वाली है. तो जस्ट बिकॉज बच्चे के पास मास्टर यूनियन की डिग्री है या IIT की डिग्री है, दैट ऑल्सो डज नॉट गारंटी एनी सक्सेस. दैट ऑल्सो आई विल टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, जिस तरीके से दुनिया चल रही है, what we should be prepared and what I think the Masters Union model focuses on is कि यार बच्चों को हम इस तरीके से लायक बना पाए कि कल को फ्यूचर में कुछ भी थ्रो हो उनके ऊपर, वो उस एम्बिग्विटी, वो उस अनसर्टेनिटी और वो उस फ्यूचर को हैंडल कर सके. इट इज मोर इमोशनल, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, देन इट इज टैक्टिकल. हाँ जी, मतलब जब बच्चा 4 बिजनेस बनाएगा, 4 टूल्स बनाएगा, एआई में काम करेगा, और जब वो ठोकर खाएगा, and I'm speaking to the kids also, guys, only then will you learn. By sitting in a classroom and taking an exam you will not learn. You will waste your 4 years, like I did. I promise you that. Right? So we have to prepare students for whatever is thrown at them, and I think that is best done by throwing them in the water. And that's what we are going to try to do. That is the answer to question number 2. इसमें किसी का follow up कुछ? I want to make you fully satisfied before leaving. किसी का कोई भी डाउट अभी भी माइंड में है? आप पूछ सकते हो मुझसे. आप बोल सकते हो प्रथम, तू बोलते रहे बाय चांस यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं बनी तुम्हारी तो क्या? आप पूछ सकते हो यदि आपके माइंड में है ये तो. ये है? चलिए है, मान लीजिए हो जाता है ऐसा. मान लीजिए सितंबर में अक्टूबर में यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं बनती, फिर क्या करेंगे? फेयर क्वेश्चन. सॉरी, वो तो है ही, बट फिर भी आप बोलोगे प्रथम आपने तो बोला था, अनऑफिशियली चाहे बोला था पर आपने बोला तो था, राइट? तो उसका सिंपल सा आंसर ये है कि फिर हम फिर से ट्राई करेंगे, तो फिर सेकेंड ईयर में हो जाएगा. ठीक है? और तब भी मैं फर्स्ट ईयर के क्रेडिट्स, एंड दिस इज स्लाइटली टेक्निकल, मैं सेकेंड ईयर में ट्रांसफर कर सकता हूं. दे विल स्टिल ग्रेजुएट विद द मास्टर्स यूनियन यूनिवर्सिटी, राइट? सो दैट आल्सो गेट्स टेकन केयर. अब बोलोगे सेकेंड ईयर में पता नहीं हुआ, तो इतना आपको मेरे को ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है जी. थर्ड जो क्वेश्चन था सर का, कि व्हाट विल बी द आउटकम ऑफ दिस थिंग. क्या बच्चा जॉब के लिए प्रिपेयर होगा? क्या स्किल्स होंगी उसके पास? क्या वो स्टार्टअप कर पाएगा, एआई बना पाएगा? इसमें मैं आपको एक बड़ा सिंपल सा आंसर देता हूं. एआई के ना 3 लेवल्स हैं. लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3. ठीक है जी. लेवल 1 इज यूजिंग एआई टू बिल्ड समथिंग. ठीक है, कि मैंने चैट जीपीटी यूज करके, कर्सर यूज करके, लवेबल यूज करके कुछ तो टूल बना लिया. ये सब टूल्स हैं एआई के, फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो, बट किड्स नो, राइट? आई होप यू ऑल द 3 टूल्स यू नो दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. ठीक है, तो करंट टूल्स को यूज करके कुछ बनाने को मैं लेवल 1 कहता हूं. ये तो आपको मुझसे अच्छा बेटर ऑलरेडी आता है कुछ हद तक. एवरीवन's tried lovable ना? Okay, good. Level 2 is building on top of AI. कि चैट जीपीटी का एक मॉडल एग्जिस्ट करता है, उसकी एपीआई खुली है, फ्री में भी कुछ हद तक अवेलेबल है जेमिनाई की, राइट? उन एपीआईज को, उन प्रोसेस को यूज करके अपना एक टूल क्रिएट करना. यार मैं एआई फॉर लीगल सेड, राइट? वो एक टूल बनाता हूं which is called harvey.ai. सुना होगा आपने? Some of you may have heard of it, right?
Yes.
या मैं AI for education बनाता हूं कि मैं फैकल्टी को भी AI पे ले आऊंगा. Truly possible. So using AI tools to build your own tools. Build your own AI tools. You understand the difference between level 1 and level 2? Level 1 is to use AI tools to build something. Level 2 is to build an AI tool on top of existing AI tools. And level 3 is to build your own AI models. चाहे वो LLM हो, चाहे वो SLMs हो, चाहे वो whatever comes next, right? Building your agents comes in level 2, right? These are the 3 levels of AI. These are the 3 skills essentially that I think about when we are designing the curriculum. Level 1, we'll focus in the first term. Level 2, we'll focus in term 2 and term 3. And then जो building your own AI है, that will come in term 4, 5, 6, 7. That is depth. That is a different kind of detail. Right? That is when Nandini ma'am go, that's where she comes in. Right? And we then focus on the math behind it. We then focus on the GPT behind. What is GPT? Transformer.
Neural transformer.
Huh?
Natural.
No.
Some natural transformer.
What does the GPT stand for, guys? ये फेल हो गए guys. No. मैम थोड़ा सा बता दो प्लीज.
Generative pre-trained transformer models. It's
So-
generative in nature, it's pre-trained on some data and it's transformer because of the architecture.
So how to build that and how AI built, OpenAI built it That is what we'll get to at the level. Now, once you have these three things, right? Once you know how to use AI, once you can build on top of AI, and once you can also build your own AI, then that skill set can be applied to anything. That skill set can be applied to building your own business. That skill set could be applied in a marketing job, in a sales job, in an investment banking job, in a data crunching job, in a job at Google, in a job at Facebook, in a job at anywhere. In a job at OpenAI, hopefully, one of you, or two of you, or many more. Right? It can transfer into studying more deeply about robotics. You say, yeah, nahi, mere ko masters karni hai, and I want to be focused on robotics. Or biorobotics, ki biology mein ya medicine mein robotics ko kaise use karte hain. You can go further deep into that also. So all of those options are available. My sense is कि फ्यूचर में सब कुछ, जैसे अभी इंग्लिश है, इट्स अ मेथड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. चाहे आप फिजिक्स पढ़ो, चाहे केमिस्ट्री पढ़ो, चाहे कुछ भी पढ़ो, तो इंग्लिश तो चाहिए ना, उसके बिना तो नहीं होगा. देन देयर इज मैथ. आप कुछ भी पढ़ो, मैथ तो चाहिए ना. इवन हिस्ट्री भी पढ़ो तो भी थोड़ी बहुत मैथ तो लगती है ना, कि हाँ कितने साल पहले था, प्लस माइनस व्हाटएवर. आई थिंक एआई विल बिकम द थर्ड लेयर, कि नो मैटर व्हाट यू आर स्टडीइंग, एआई तो लगेगा ही. And I think once you are able to master that, then you can do anything essentially.
You're saying that AI, so other courses like tech and business, all that will be integrated in this, or you are just talking about?
No, I'm only talking about AI right now. Yeah. So hamara one question that many of you may have: what is the difference between the TBM program and the DSAI program? That's a fair question. Everybody has. TBM is 50% engineering, 50% business, right? Usme we cover level 1 and level 2, but we do not cover level 3. This one is maybe 80% engineering, 20% business, right? Because we cover the level 3 also.
And how do the kid decide, or how do the parent decide that which branch should he or she is? It's based on the vision, or it's based on the clarity, or it's based on the interest?
Interest. You have to ask yourself, what do you want to do? If you are comfortable with, some people are scared of building AI. Like GPT का full form, यहाँ पे डर गए थे लोग, right? But कईयों को है कि यार मेरे को उस लेवल पे काम नहीं करना, मेरे को ChatGPT के साथ काम करके चलेगा, मेरे को business बनाने का है. So for them, I think TBM is better. But जिसको है कि नहीं, मेरे को तो engineer बनना है, मेरे को OpenAI में जाना है, मेरे को अपना मॉडल बनाना है, मेरे को सर्वम AI and उसका कौन सा है, ओला वाले का कृत्रिम AI, और वो सब उस लेवल पे जाना है मेरे को. So then I think your interest should here. बाकी we will try our best to give the students the flexibility कि पहले एक दो terms में आपको यहाँ का वहाँ करना है. That's okay. उतने credits हम लोग transfer कर सकते हैं. So if your interest changes tomorrow, no problem. Come here. Or if the TBM interest changes tomorrow, no problem. And we'll also have to see कि दुनिया कैसे change हो रही है. इस industry में दुनिया हर महीने change हो रही है. हर हफ्ते change हो रही है literally. हम कुछ बनाते हैं, suddenly उसका कुछ और ऊपर next version आ जाता है, next version आ जाता है. So this course will also change every few months. मैं आज के दिन आपको यदि promise करूं कि 4 साल बाद क्या पढ़ाया जाएगा, that is my stupidity. I'm sure कि जो 4 साल बाद आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा, वो आज invent ही नहीं हुआ है. It's quite a certainty, I think. Right? So this course will be a dynamic course. It's not going to be like accounting, जो पिछले 300 साल से सेम ही चलती आ रही है. This is going to be a dynamic course, and we'll have to change the course accordingly. So 3 questions we have answered. Any other questions that are left that I can help answer? Yeah.
Faculty के बारे में बताइए. Master Union is already new to AI. This course is already new. AI is new. India is like, it's going into AI.
Yeah.
How much familiar are the faculties?
Yeah. Sir, इसका जवाब मैं 2 तरीके से दूंगा. See, if I were to go and look for faculty like Nandini, मैम, जिन्होंने AI पढ़ाया है, AI बनाया है, वो तो इंडिया में नहीं मिलने वाले जी. I'll be very honest. यदि कोई बोल रहा है तो वो गलत बोल रहा है, right? वो तो सर नहीं होगा. But there are enough people in the industry जिनको ढूंढ पाते हैं जो बिल्कुल फोरफ्रंट पे काम कर रहे हैं. जैसे PwC करके एक कंपनी है, AI जनरेटिव AI प्रैक्टिस है. उनका काम ही सिर्फ AI पे ट्रेनिंग देना है अपने क्लाइंट्स को। PwC इज अ कंसल्टिंग कंपनी जो AI में ट्रेनिंग देती है अपने क्लाइंट्स को। तो हम उनके लोगों के साथ मिलके ये कोर्स बनाते हैं, उनके लोगों को बुलाते हैं कि यार प्लीज, हमें प्रोफेसर तो नहीं मिल रहे, बट यू नो बेटर, यू आर एट द फोर फ्रंट। आप तो ओपन एआई का जो बैकएंड मॉडल है उसकी प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे हो, तो कैन यू प्लीज कम एंड टीच, राइट? So almost more than, in this course, more than 50% of our faculty is going to be that faculty. Now, because we are in Cyber Hub, EY का ऊपर है, Samsung का ऐसा सेट सामने है, and most जितनी भी companies हैं, I think around 600 के करीब companies हैं, MNCs, not Indian companies, MNCs, जिनके ऑफिस सामने है Cyber Hub में, और हमारे पीछे है उद्योग विहार, जहां सारी इंडियन कंपनीज के बैक एंड है। सो हम बिल्कुल बीचों बीच हैं, एंड दिस पुट्स अस इन अ वेरी गुड प्लेस टू अट्रैक्ट दिस काइंड्स ऑफ टीचर्स। एक और तीसरी चीज बोलूंगा मैं आपको, so much content about how to build AI is available for free online. इतने टूल्स हैं, इतने वीडियोस हैं, और उनसे अच्छी टीचिंग नहीं मैं कर सकता, राइट? सो a lot of times we are going to depend on existing infrastructure, existing videos, चाहे वो फ्री में YouTube पे शायद अवेलेबल हो, to train the students. Of course, that is important. That's important. But जो original teaching है ना, वो ओपन एआई का पूरा मॉड्यूल बना हुआ है, मैं क्यों उस चीज को फिर से करूं, राइट? सो I'll have to be smart about not rebuilding the wheel, not reinventing the wheel, right? So that also I will depend on. And finally, I will say one thing, कि students can teach better to each other, right? Students can learn better by making their own mistakes. This is like a playground. इस playground में आप बनाओ, please fail, फिर से बनाओ, please fail. That is how OpenAI was built. That is how ChatGPT was built. They failed on 100 models before they got to a successful model. तो यहाँ पे भी my expectation is यही कि faculty पे dependency 30, 40, 50% से ऊपर नहीं होगी। ये काफी प्रोग्राम बच्चों का अपने आप अपनी एजेंसी के साथ यूज करने का होगा। आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मेरी फैकल्टी सब जानती है, इवन स्टैनफोर्ड की फैकल्टी भी सब नहीं जानती, क्योंकि ये चेंज इतना फास्ट हो रहा है, राइट? सो यू आर कमिंग, आई एम टॉकिंग टू द किड्स नाउ, यू आर कमिंग हियर फॉर ईच अदर, राइट? मोर देन फॉर द फैकल्टी, बिलीव, यू आर कमिंग हियर फॉर द इकोसिस्टम. You're coming here for this space.
लेट नाश्ता करा है।
You're coming here not for just for
खाना खाना
me or
चाहिए,
the
खाना मत
faculty
छोड़ो।
or the degree.
Just want to highlight and add more points. So just to give more examples and more solidified examples, for the term one for the DSAI program, AI is being taught by somebody who leads AI at Microsoft, and Python coding is being taught by somebody who creates data learning models for Walmart currently. So those are the kind of industry experts that we are picking. While the idea is very similar, that the reliance on the faculty should be limited as more of a mentor and a guide rather than just a facilitator of the course. But we are very, very cognizant of who we are picking, because we also know how the landscape is evolving. So we definitely only want to bring in people who are experts currently as we stand today in their fields.
Yeah. Time ज़्यादा ले लिया ना मैंने?
I think we're almost time. Any other questions? There's one question that has come up.
Okay.
I'll ask, but any other?
आज हमने वो मॉडल ठीक कर लिया, मैंने पहले क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए थे और फिर
Is that we have had experience in tech, right? It's our third year of tech. And some of you had concerns that what is the tech muscle that we are building? How are we going to make sure that data science and AI as successful as our tech and business? I have answered to that, but you want to?
No, first you start, huh?
Sure. So I think first of all, I'll just build on that. I went to IIT Delhi, right? And IIT Delhi and IIT Bombay are pretty much the best institutes when you talk about the change aspect. और वहां पे भी मेरा इंजीनियरिंग का पैशन एक साल पे मर ही गया,
right? Every senior that I was talking to was going into consulting, finance, और वो इसलिए क्योंकि there was no building happening. I was, as Pratham said, कि आप वो equations रट लीजिए और उस equations को फिर semester के end में paper पे डाल दीजिए और भूल जाइए, right? So that's what happened to me. And I was one of the front benchers. I was a 9 pointer out of 10. तो आप ये भी नहीं बोल सकते कि मैंने नहीं पढ़ाई की. But खत्म हो गई थी मेरी engineering की passion. I remember the day I walked in, I said I want to know how a mobile phone works. I was into electronic engineering. I wanted to know how internet works. How is it कि आज के date में ये video call हो जाता है? What's the technology, right? And एक बार ना घर पे fridge खराब हो गया था और मुझे वो भी नहीं पता था कि कैसे होता है. That day I said कि यार जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ बकवास है, right? And then I went to become a consultant and all that happened. Now, if you look at the Masters Union leadership, we are not just people who went to the Ivy League schools for MBA. I'm from IIT Delhi. Tarun is from IIT Bombay. Avinash is again from IIT Delhi. So we are a bunch of IITians who also ended up doing B school because our engineering was from the best institute, but it wasn't good. And when AI happened, that's when we realized that we need to open a tech school. As Pratham said, that AI is going to be everywhere. Now, if it is going to be everywhere, we just don't want business leaders who understand AI. For businesses to become successful, you also want tech leaders who understand AI and who can build advanced applications of AI. And that's the reason we have expanded on our in-house faculty in technology. We have gotten, as Nandini said, we have gotten people from Microsoft, people from Krutrim. We signed up with PwC for an AI lab. We signed up with Krutrim for our curriculum. So we are making sure that the capabilities that we've built for a business school, we are building the same capabilities for our tech school. So yes, you saw a lot of tech and business management students, yes, but our capabilities and our priorities are equal for both the schools.
Can you talk about Tesla sooner?
Come, you talk about it since you're in the science.
So just to highlight, right, Tesla suit is a hardware technology that is very new to India, so new that it is stuck in customs right now, and I'm trying to get it for Masters Union. It's going to be the first Tesla suit that has come to India. It's a suit that you can wear, and everything that you do, it tracks your haptics, your body temperature, your sense of emotion, etc. Tries to predict your sense of emotion. Obviously cannot capture it fully. This is used extensively in countries like Germany for medical rehabilitation. It is being used a lot for sports people and trying to understand where their form is going incorrectly. Cristiano Ronaldo uses it to train better on playing football. And that is what we are bringing in as the first big addition to our AI lab for all of you to play with. It's some $40,000, and thank you to Pratham for sponsoring that for us. But those are the kind of hardware technologies also that we want to bring into the School of Engineering so that the students can play with these tools and they don't just read about them, but they actually build on top of them. And we have a makers lab. I don't know how many of you were able to see that in the CTS tower. We are building an AI lab, which is going to contain all of these hardware and software capabilities. We are working with servers so that Masters Union can have its own individual server for the students from DSAI to work on. So there are multiple versions. We have an HCL MOU that will soon be signed, which will talk about how one of your outclass challenges will actually be mentored and assigned by HCL, and they will be the ones evaluating you. So if I can say so, we are trying to build even more capabilities for our School of Engineering because we now have all the experience from the School of Business rather than equal. So it probably is more than that. Yeah.
Any last questions before we go on to do the final presentation outside?
There's a question we raised earlier, if someone fails in IIT examination.
Yeah.
Will you have to reappear in the examination, just doing the course, masters, yes, like your BSc, DSEI. But the final exam is facing from IIT Guwahati or IIT Madras.
Yes.
He fails in that.
Sure. So तो नंबर 1 वो सिर्फ 6 महीने की बात है। एनीवे हमारी 6 महीने में डिग्री आ रही है, तो उसके बाद आप IIT गुवाहाटी ड्रॉप कर सकते हो। We will transfer the credits and you are anyway going to be part of Masters Union. तो Masters Union की एग्जाम लोगे, Masters Union की डिग्री आएगी, आपको IIT गुवाहाटी की एग्जाम्स लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? एंड बात रही IIT गुवाहाटी में फेल होने की, तो उनका भी प्रॉपर एक ER प्रोसेस है। लेट्स से आप फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में अगर किसी कोर्स में फेल हो भी जाते हैं, तो वो आपको सेकंड अटेम्प्ट देते हैं, थर्ड अटेम्प्ट देते हैं। तो मतलब जब तक आप जानबूझ के फेल नहीं होना चाह रहे, आप फेल नहीं हो। So that's what it is.
नहीं, आपका कोर्स देखिए, आपके हिसाब से एक बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड कोर्स है।
नहीं, डेटा साइंस एंड AI वाला हमारा जो कोर्स है वो बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड नहीं, वो एक प्रॉपर इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स। इट्स नॉट, इनफैक्ट हमने करिकुलम मैपिंग की है, डॉक्टर नंदिनी हैज डन द फुल करिकुलम मैपिंग। जो IIT गुवाहाटी के कोर्सेज वो एग्जैक्टली सेम कोर्सेज हम आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं। सो इट इज हार्डकोर टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग। एग्जैक्टली, 80% तो इंजीनियरिंग है, थोड़ा बहुत तो हम उनको स्टार्ट
वो उतना IIT दिल्ली में भी है।
IIT दिल्ली इज 80% बिजनेस, वहां के 80% आप ग्रेजुएट्स देखिए, इट्स ऑल बिजनेस ना। सचिन बंसल ने फ्लिपकार्ट बना लिया, दीपेंद्र गोयल ने जोमेटो बना लिया। मुझे बताइए किसी ने ओपन AI बनाया? नहीं बनाया, आता ही नहीं है। वही आता है, हमें बिजनेस नहीं सिखाया।
उसमें भी अगर हम ऐसा कहें कि हमको जो चीपर लेबर है इंडिया का, उसको यूज करना आता है सिर्फ,
टेक तो सिखाया ही नहीं जाता।
अच्छा, ये अब आपने पॉलिटिकल बात बोल दी।
करते हैं।
Nidan, thank you everybody for the questions and for the confidence. This is a new course, and this course is not just to teach engineering to the first cohort, second cohort, third cohort. Honestly, for us, this course is a way to change the engineering education in India. जब मास्टर्स यूनियन ने बिजनेस स्कूल चालू किया था TBM, उसको देख के आज भी मेरे हिसाब से एटलीस्ट 15 से 20 नए कॉलेज बन गए हैं।
we are regularly seeing so many deals and all.
मतलब 15 से 20 मैं कम ही शायद कह रहा हूँ, ये तो जो मेरे को पता है, राइट, जो बन गए। एंड धीरे धीरे 15-20 के 200 होंगे, और धीरे धीरे एजुकेशन सिस्टम चेंज होगा बिजनेस साइड पे। ये हम कर चुके हैं, और ये हमें 4 साल में करके दिखाया। विद इंजीनियरिंग इंडिया को ज्यादा जरूरत है, इंडिया को ज्यादा चेंज की जरूरत है। माय होप इज कि नॉट जस्ट फॉर दिस कोहॉर्ट, बट दिस कोहॉर्ट विल बिकम अ एग्जांपल फॉर सो मेनी अदर न्यू टेक कॉलेजेस दैट आई कैन ऑलरेडी फोरसी कमिंग। हमारी वेबसाइट पे कुछ जाता है तो 20 और वेबसाइट पे एकदम से आ जाता है,
कट कॉपी पेस्ट।
कभी कभी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक भी कॉपी पेस्ट हो जाती है। इट्स with Masters Union, with the team, I think all of us are not here to build one college.
One more thing, we take in AI and DS, and BSc is a little bit confusing. Those
So ये ना इंडिया में डिफरेंशिएटेड है, दुनिया की हर कंट्री में एक ही चीज है। यूएस में बीटेक करके कुछ नहीं है, यूके में बीटेक करके कुछ नहीं है, बीएससी है, BS, बैचलर्स ऑफ साइंस। मेरी भी डिग्री बैचलर्स ऑफ साइंस इन इंजीनियरिंग है, बीटेक नहीं है, राइट? सो ये सिर्फ इंडिया में एक टर्म है, और वेरी ऑनेस्टली आप किसी रिक्रूटर से बात करोगे तो उसने तो वैसे भी अपना ही टेस्ट लेना है, उसको भी पता है कि बीटेक करके यदि कोई स्टैंप लेके आ भी गया है तो उसका कोई मीनिंग लंबा चौड़ा है नहीं, तो उसने अपना खुद का कोडिंग का एग्जाम लेना ही है, राइट? एंड आधी जो बड़ी कंपनीज हैं, चाहे वो गूगल है, चाहे वो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, वो क्लियरली बोलती हैं कि आपका डिग्री भी नहीं है ना, और यदि आप हमारा कोडिंग एग्जाम कर लेते हो तो अपने को चलेगा। तो आज के दिन बीटेक वर्सेस बीएससी वर्सेस बीसीए, वो दुनिया पुरानी थी। वो दुनिया थी कैपजेमिनाई, HCL, TCS, इन्फोसिस, वो वाली, उस दुनिया में डिफरेंशिएशन थी, राइट? अदरवाइज बीसीए का करिकुलम और बीटेक का करिकुलम सेम है। डिफरेंस पता है क्या है? मैं आपको अंदर की बात बताऊं तो बीसीए की फीस 20,000 रुपये होती है, बीटेक की फीस 2 लाख रुपए की होती है। बात तो सेम ही है, रियलिटी तो देखो यही है। तो लेट्स, मतलब वी शुड कॉल स्पेड अ स्पेड। वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू फसाओ यू कि यार ये बीटेक है, ये देखो बीटेक की फीस थोड़ी ज्यादा है, फिर बीटेक ऑनर्स है उसकी फीस थोड़ी और ज्यादा है। ऐसे ही होता है ना कॉलेज में, But AI तो AI है, honors है, and non-honors से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Right, that's the reality of that situation. Yeah.
So we wanted our students to also talk a little bit about the kind of startups they are building. In fact, right now, as part of our incubator, we have 5 startups which are in AI space. These are tech and business management students, but they're building in AI. So I wanted Ansh and Ashwin to kind of present what breakthrough startup they are building. So Ansh and Ashwin, if you
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
yeah. So thanks, Pratham. Thanks,
Thank you.
Nandini.
Right. I think we'll manage. So, hello everyone, welcome everyone. First thing which I will say is, by the way, welcome to our office. This is the place where we work. This is where everything started. यहीं से हमने सारी चीजें start करी. This is the workplace, by the way, इन्हीं tables से. And अब we will be showing you कि from the starting where we are now. And by the way, it is show time. My name is Ashwin. That is Ansh. Hello everyone. And yes, let's present. Yeah. Right. So what we made is called Elite. It is the AI co-pilot for recruiting. And I will be talking about the business. I will be talking about the tech. We will be talking about the tech stack. सारी चीजें जैसे journey हुई, everything. And you're in for a ride. Now.
Sure. So before we discuss the problems, we've already had a raise of hands. Many of us come here from business families who run businesses. And one thing which is common in every business is that every business hires, right? There is no business without people. But hiring being such a long, hiring being there from the dawn of time, what are the problems in hiring? There are 3 main problems in hiring which are persistent. Number 1, it takes around more than 40 days to hire a single candidate. Number 2 is that 44% of new candidates, even if you manage to hire one, fail in the first 12 months. And number 3, the cost of hiring. In US, on average, it costs around $4,500 for a single hire.
Yes, and by the way, to the ones here, I'm telling you, we are going to go in great depth, so please keep watching. Now, what we built is Elite. It brings down the cost, the time to hire, 40 दिन से to 2 days, 48 hours. We'll be showing how. Elite ensures that you get the most suitable candidate. It is by a lot of processes we'll be knowing. And Elite brings the cost of hiring down 80%, and you can hire 10 times faster. How are we doing that? आगे देखते हैं. Hello, my name is Ashwin Dev, and जैसे प्रथम सर ने बोला कि सिर्फ पानी में कूद के that's how you learn swimming. तो I have swam before. मैंने एक बार पहले कर रखी है. I made an AI persona chatbot जो मैंने अपने टीचर पे बनाया था. It has currently 2000 users है उसके monthly. I am also a founder of Starvin Power, which has 700K revenue this year. Also a national debater and an ex-ISRO intern.
Hey everyone, I am Ansh. I am also a second-time founder. I started my previous company named Digity. It was a tech consultancy and services company. I exited it, but we had around $120,000 in annual recurring revenue. I have been coding and building products for the past 5 years. I've also been a 100% scholar at MIT and YTS, and I also won a national hackathon. So where does this, how did we even discover this problem? So in our previous companies, me and Ashwin used to hire a lot. Right? I particularly used to look at thousands of resumes and interview hundreds of developers and designers. But the problem was I was never satisfied, right? And that is how we talk to each other and we find out that recruitment in the entire world is actually a nightmare.
Right.
And we actually confirmed these buyers around 3 weeks ago. So मेरे को और Ashwin को, we wanted to hire a developer, right? We wanted to hire a software developer. हमने दुनिया के सबसे बड़े पोर्टल पे LinkedIn jobs पे we posted a job post. We even paid it. We sponsored it 600 rupees for 2 days, and it got us 250 candidates. When we clicked on that job post to check the candidates who have actually applied, it was really interesting. I'll tell you what happened. So there were candidates, but for us to view their resume, it was in a view box. So हम उस पे click भी नहीं कर सकते. We can't open their portfolio. We can't see that candidate's actual work. And after every 5 candidates, we had to refresh the page. Because LinkedIn wanted to scan for viruses, right? The biggest job portal out there is functioning like this. And that is when we realized that the problem is real.
So we realized the problem है. We can also ask if किसी को hiring में problem है. Yes, that was there. So that's why we built Elite, the AI co-pilot for recruiting. It helps you hire better candidates faster, cheaper, and easier. This is what we made. By the way, 18-year-olds, दोनों, first year in college. I think हमें वो बताना जरूरी था. We'll just show you the video कि वो कैसे काम करता है. Yes.
So this is a video we made of the entire product, right? Let's actually go through कि हमने क्या बनाया है. So if you're a recruiter, if you're hiring, if you're a business owner, you come to our platform. This is the dashboard you see. You see the number of applications, you see the people shortlisted, people you have interviewed. Aside from the dashboard, we actually invented something really new. So whoever who's hired here before knows कि hire करते हुए the most important thing is that you have to screen the candidates. You have to know कि कौन सा candidate is worthy for me and who is not. But there is only one software in the entire internet which does it. It is an ATS, an applicant tracking system. But the problem is in ATS इसकी वो कीवर्ड पे काम करता है. किसी ने अगर अपने रेज्यूमे में लिखा है कि I use perplexity और किसी ने लिखा है कि I used to work at perplexity, तो the ATS won't know कि वो दोनों अलग-अलग लोग हैं. We actually solved for this. We built an AI resume ranker. So as a recruiter, what you do is that you write your entire job description here, you upload all of the resumes and just click on ranking. So instead of filtering like in traditional ATS, it ranks the candidates for you by reading the resumes like a human recruiter would. It reads the resumes, it understands it, and then ranks all the people for you in minutes. So it's really simple. You go, enter the job description, pass all the resumes, click on rank, and it ranks them for you. So this is the result page which you see. In this, you can see a bar chart defining all the candidates which have been ranked. Right? You can also filter them on their user rating, their name, education score, skill score, all those things. And this is a detailed candidate summary. So you can see ki how well that candidate is overall, how much they've scored in education, how much they've scored in skills, experience, all those things. You can see the justifications for their score. You can also see their strengths and weaknesses. And by the way, this is before you even talk to them, right? Coming forward, but what if, you know, uploading all these resumes, uploading all these PDFs, it's a very tiring job. ठीक है, मैं कब तक PDFs की upload करते रहूँगा, कब तक zips को unzip करता रहूँगा. For that, we made a job listing page. So in the job listing page, you can come, you can create your own job, you can see multiple analytics. But after creating a job, you get access to a very special feature, which is that you can create a public submission link. तो ये link आप Elite से बना करके, if you're posting a job anywhere, you can add that link here. People can come here, they can upload their resume, and you will see the submissions in real time, right? After even seeing your submissions, you can rank them and you can save those rankings. तो अगर आपको बाद में उसको देखना हो, तो you can still access that. Now this is the AI recruiter. So instead of you guys taking 5-6 days or even weeks to hire the candidates, the AI can do it for you in less than 10 minutes.
Right. तो हमने इस चीज की बात कर ली कि how we built it, but the thing is that we used it to solve problems. And by the way, there was someone जिन्होंने प्रथम सर के सेशन में बोला कि I want to build a startup around AI. Now how do you build it? You build it कि एक problem मिलती है मुझे. I use AI, I use technologies which you will be learning, and then you solve that problem. Well, we solved it by actually using our own product. हमने सारे जो हमने लोग निकाले थे 143 candidates मैंने अपने खुद के प्लेटफॉर्म पे डाले हम लोगों ने, and we found out the one right person which we should hire. We found out their weaknesses, strengths, and by the way, this is how great the product is. हमें 10 मिनट लगे rather than LinkedIn पे हमें 3 दिन लगते. हमें उनकी strengths, weaknesses पहले ही पता चल गई. We filtered on the basis of skills and experience, and by the way, हमने developer we hired in one singular day. This is how we are doing. But ये हमेशा केस नहीं था. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम दोनों आपके पास आए हैं and we're showing you this great product जो बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. This was by the way the MVP. It was just a text box. उस पे आप डालते हो अपना requirements, PDFs attach करता हूँ, analyze करता हूँ, and मुझे एक बार चार्ट मिलता है. ऐसे start किया था. But then we wanted to know more.
So we took it to the industry. One very great thing which Masters Union gives us is the industry connect. So we talked to a lot of people. Zepto's founders came to our campus. We talked to them. We had talks with Zepto, Yagnam, Pretters. These are very big companies doing hundreds and crores of revenue. We also talked to this guy named Saurabh Nigam. He was the head of HR at Aditya Birla Group for 20 years. And when he looked at our product, he was like, this is fabulous. If you're able to build the entire thing, I guarantee you that you will be able to sell it. Hell, he was even ready to write us a check for it. Right? And because you folks are coming in DS and AI, it is very important for us to discuss our tech stack. This is our entire tech stack. We use Next.js as our base framework, Tailwind for styling. We use Cursor because coding without AI agents is not smart. We use a LinkedIn API. We have our code on GitHub. And this is our entire tech stack, plus hundreds and thousands of lines of code. If any of you are coming here and building, you can anytime come to me and Ashwin, and we can help you with all of these technologies.
Right. So who is this for? किसके लिए बनाया हमने? We made it. By the way, Elite can be used by anyone and everywhere. Obviously, it is out there. But specifically for SMB, small and medium businesses who want to hire, they can recruit. They want to recruit, but it is obviously tough. Then enterprises, we are doing those deals as we speak, and also recruitment agencies. Now the thing is, we were doing this. We were solving a problem. But this product, कुछ लोग और भी बना रहे थे. But during building this, and this is the funny thing about businesses, this is the funny thing about startups. While building it, you realize that there is something which no one is solving. And for that, we invented a new product, which is not there anywhere. So, iski story happened that हम ये चीज काम कर रहे थे, and there is this creative media agency, Masters Union की, जो आपको अच्छे reels, videos सारी आती है. They come from them. Their POC reached out to us and said कि यार, I am hiring editors, I am hiring, these creative folks, and इनको करने में मुझे 5 से 10 मिनट लग रहे हैं on one singular guy. What we did was we made Elite for hiring creatives. This means that किसी के भी videos you upload on the platform, you tell me कि किस तरीके से, किस description के हिसाब से I want to assess that, कि क्या criteria होना चाहिए, कि इसको इस तरीके से rank करना है, and on the basis of that, I will tell you what candidate you should hire. And this is not there for any creative industry out there. If you want, check it out. Try it out. This is not there.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So coincidentally, something very interesting was happening in Masters Union. So for the first time, I'll tell you one this fact. So at any given point of time at Masters Union, more than 100 startups are operating. More than 100 for a batch size this small. And out of those, over 50 applied for the incubator. So Masters Union has its own incubator with very good perks. A lot of people applied. 11 were shortlisted for the pitch day, and we were lucky enough to be selected in the top 5. We were all over the world. The incubator gave us access to an elite ecosystem. We were able to meet people who are in the industry themselves. We went to Gurgaon, we went to Tech Expo, IP Ventures, HCL Tech Noida, all these people, we've showed them our product and they absolutely loved it.
Yes, that's what we did. And also one more true fact is, by the way, this is an interesting part of the presentation, and that is whiteboards. So when we started, this was the first whiteboard which we thought कि यार ऐसे ideation करते हैं. This was the second one, this was the third one, and so many more that I have lost count. This is how products are built. It's not on one day. We did so much ideation, and that is how great things are built. First was ideation, then हमने सोचा how do we build it, how do we solve this problem once and for all, and then we iterated. One after the other, we solved problems. Yes.
One thing to take note of is that whatever we're showing here is just 10% of what we've built. Because you know what? Hiring hasn't changed for 20 years, but we're changing it within weeks of existence, making it faster, better, and easier for everyone. That was us, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can actually use our product right here. You can take out your phones. Please scan this QR code. And if you want to, apply for the waitlist, do it. For the students here, if you are already building, if you think you have got that tech nudge in you, me and Ashwin have listed down our phone numbers here. We are hiring for a developer intern. Please reach out to us if you think you're good enough for the role.
Thank you so much. Yes. If there's any question, हमसे पूछ सकते हैं.
Please.
See, you get an internship offer on the first day. Good.
Yeah.
Any questions to them?
Anyone, any questions regarding regarding?
Yeah.
Understand that you have solved the problem regarding the first part. The bigger part of that is a value-based.
Yeah.
So when we hire, generally, and how entrepreneur hire, he hires, first he looks on the skill cake, ये आना चाहिए, accountancy है तो time लगेगी. First the skill, then the bill, and then the value. This is
Correct.
how they generally.
Absolutely.
And there is where the entrepreneur get lost in. Because we as an entrepreneur always want a person who has value, will and skill. Skill is learnable. Value and will.
Yeah.
Somewhere I don't know. for could be feedback for you guys.
Yeah.
That today build is good for sorting.
Yeah.
Today build is good for sorting. यार 1000 resume हटाओ मैं इसमें से 10 को देख लेता हूँ. That makes sense also. But when it comes, I know it's a direct hiring when you assess them.
Yeah.
You can build something like psychometric test. It's a psychometric test what we
Correct.
use in our organization for hiring, understanding, give them a kind of a case study or skill set of questions. When they answer, we assess that who kahan pe hai? What is it? You can build something of that. It's an easy one. You can put something, then that part is also taken care.
I think, may I know what your business is, sir?
I'm into business consulting of daily days. Plants Palantir and we're around 750 distributors. So we have 500 people with
Wonderful, wonderful.
So feedback taken. You know what we are doing is we are talking to people like you, talking to people all around the board. And the thing is, कि, you know, जब हमने ये बनाया, then we took it to Swati ma'am, and Swati ma'am was hiring her own people for their organization, Masters UN के लिए कर रहे थे. She told us कि उन्होंने ना 1200 का उनके पास कैंडिडेट पूल था. उन्होंने एक लिंक निकाली थी गूगल ड्राइव पे, 1200 लोगों ने अप्लाई किया था. एंड उसके बेसिस पे उन्होंने 5 लोग शॉर्टलिस्ट किए थे, 5 लोग हायर किए थे. तो उन्हें क्या करना था, दे ऑब्वियसली वांटेड टू नो कि जो हम देंगे एंड जो उन्होंने खुद 40 दिन लगा के हायर करे, क्या वो सेम है भी, क्या वो सिमिलर है. क्योंकि अगर है तो हमारा तो टेस्ट पास हो गया, अगर नहीं है तो नहीं हुआ. तो हमने उनका पूरा डेटा लिया, उनसे पूछा कि आपको कैसे लोग हायर चाहिए करने हैं, रिक्रूट करने हैं. एंड आप मानोगे नहीं, हमारे लिए भी बहुत बड़ी सरप्राइजिंग मोमेंट थी कि उनके जो 5 लोग उन्होंने हायर करे वो हमारे टॉप 15 में आ गए.
I got that.
लेकिन
that could be
100%. Yeah.
You prove it like a science.
Yeah.
You prove it like a science. That could be also हो सकता है. कि आप एक बार में 5 के 5 सही बैठ गए जो आपके थे वो.
हाँ मतलब.
You're building something.
Yes, yes.
What I'm trying to do is build like a science.
Correct.
सबके लिए एक ही होना चाहिए.
That's what we're doing.
My strong suggestion still would be put a psychometric test out on there.
ठीक है.
Phase 2 or phase 3.
Absolutely noted, sir.
Bang on results.
You know about the MBTI?
Last 20 years, this problem.
Yeah.
What is the biggest challenge?
Correct.
There's a standard for personality test, it's known as the MBTI personality type.
Yeah.
We're trying to integrate that. We're just in the phase of adding the.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think thanks Ashwin, thanks Arjun. Great work, guys. And this is your seniors in case you wanna come in contact with them. I think they've given the numbers. Great. Thanks, guys.
Yes. Thank you so much.
So, hi, those who don't know me, I'm Khushbu. I am mostly in touch with most of you, but I don't think so I've met parents alongside there. But in case you want to speak to me, please reach out to me. I'm here outside. Meanwhile, we'll just start moving out. Students, there is a session that's going on for you. There is a game theory that's going on downstairs in the Audi. It's sell the unsellable. So you want to join that? Go join that, right? It's happening. Go run. And parents, I would request you to come out in the comments. We will start there soon. Yeah. Thank you.